Hello all, welcome back. This is Rampraj Doraisamy. So in this video we will see onload and onChange event in MSCRM. So which is of day 3 in 50-day Dataverse Microsoft Dynamics CRM JavaScript challenge. So without any delay, I'll just go to my CRM system. So I'll just go to my solution and we have already created a solution called 50-day challenge. I'll open that solution and we have a table available. I'll expand this table. I'll expand this table as well. I'll go to forms. Let's wait for the form to get loaded. Okay, I'll click on the main form. So let the main form get loaded. Within the meantime, I'll go to my JavaScript and I'll explain what we have done previously. So in the last session, we have created, we just used to get value and set value. So we are getting the value from one field and we are setting the value in another field. So that's what we have done. And as I how it is done, so we are triggering an function called onload function that is on the onload of the page. It will automatically get triggered. So now we are going to use an on save event, sorry, on change event. So when that on change event will trigger, so when a field gets modified, this on change will automatically get triggered. So let's see how we can achieve this one. So I'll simply say function on change event of execution context, and I'm just going to simply copy paste this execution context and form context. So as I said, this is a unique to all of them. So this time we'll what we can do is I'll just go to my Dataverse system. I'll go to my make.powerapps.com. Okay, is it loading? Perfect. Okay, I'll go to my solution. I'll open the solution. I'll go to apps. I'll open my model driven app. So okay, so this is the model driven app. So I'll say whenever if I for example if I enter it as test, I want to, and if I tab out, which is nothing but an on change event. So I want to show a pop-up stating that what is the value which is available here. So this is what we are going to do. It's a simple on change event here. So how we can throw an alert? So I'll just go here. I'll say um, alert MSCRM JavaScript. I'll open the first link, which is offline.microsoft.com. So here is what. So this is the alert string. So okay, so it is like a confirm label button, which is of yes. Okay, and this is the alert text message, and what is the alert box title, and this is the height and width of that one, and this is the query which we are going to use it. So I'll just copy this one. I'll go to my Visual Studio. I'll simply paste this one. Okay, so before pasting this one, what is the context which you are going to do? So if it is not null, I'm just going to throw an alert here. Okay, so and what is the code? So this is the code. I'll just paste this code here. Okay, if it is not null, I want to throw this as an alert. Okay, so what I'm just doing, so I'm just getting the execution context and I'm just checking whether this field is available or not. If this field contains data, I'm just throwing an alert. I'll say that the text as throw alert. It's just a temporary variable which you are declaring it here. That's it. Okay. So once this is done, what I'll do, I'll just copy this onChange event, which is nothing but this function name. I'll go to the Power App, and this is what we have already done. What can I say? The Power App which we have already created, right? So I'll just click on this field and I'll go to event. I'll click on add a event handler. So now here you can able to see it came as an on change event. So now if I click on outside and if I go to if I go to event, here you can able to see on load and on change on save event, which is nothing but this is on the form level and this is on the field level. Okay, so I'll just click on function and I'll paste the on change event and I'm passing the execution context as a parameter and I'll click on done here. That's it. Now I'll just save and publish this one. So I'll just go to my Visual Studio. I'll make sure, okay, it is saved successful. So let's wait for the save and publish to happen. Within the meantime, I'll go to my solution. I'll click on my web resource. I'll click on the web resource here. I'll click on edit. I'll choose the file, which is of JS, which we have created. Okay, it is successfully published. I'll click on save. I'll publish this one. Okay, this publish successfully done now. So what I'll do, I'll just go to my form. I'll make a hard refresh, which is Control Shift R. I'll click on my debugger, which is F12. Think it is taking some time to load. I'll make another refresh. So okay, the JavaScript not loaded, which means that it's not published properly. I'll just go back again. I'll go to my app. I'll try to play the app again. I'll click on new. I'll go to F12. Let me refresh it. Okay, it's still not there. Nope, it's not coming. So I'll just make sure that it's saved. I'll go here. I'll go to my web resource again. I'll click on edit. I'll add this one. I'll click on save. I'll publish this one. Okay, it's successfully published. I'll re-verify this. Click on this. Okay, I can able to see the onChange event. I'll make a hard refresh again. Oh wow, it's not coming. Let it be. I don't want to worry about this one. I'll just copy this one. I'll open an incognito mode. I'll paste this one. Copy my email address. Paste this one. Six. Okay, I'll open F12. Okay, it's not coming. I'll just say, okay, I can able to see the model driven app. I'll open the model driven app. I'll click on new. So you can able to see this function is available. Perfect. Now I'll just run this one. I'll say test for on change. I'll tab out. So the on change triggers. I'll run this one. So here you can able to see throw alert is the one which we have provided it as a text, and test on change, which is nothing but the value which is from the field which is we have um, entered here in the 50-day name field. So yeah, I think that's it for the day. So this is how we can simply use an onChange event. So as I we have already discussed about the onload, so I'm not covering that one here. That we have covered it in our first session and second session itself. So this is how we can simply use an onChange event. Please drop me a comment if you have any queries and subscribe to the channel. I'll mention this JavaScript in my GitHub. You can directly take it and you can proceed further if you want to have any testing on this one. Thank you.